Hello dear children, this is a part 2 video on factors of production. Factors of production is an economic term that describes the inputs used in the production of goods and services in order to make an economic profit. So, these factors of production are divided into primary factors and derived factors. Primary factors are land and labor. These are naturally given and without them no goods can be produced. Derived factors are capital and organization. These derived factors, when combined with the primary factors of production, raise total production. Now, let us study about each factor in detail. Land. Land as a factor of production refers to all those natural resources or gifts of nature which are provided free to man. This includes not just land but anything that comes from land. Characteristics of land. As we have seen in the previous slide, land is a free gift of nature. Land is fixed in supply. It means the total quantity of land is limited and it cannot be increased or decreased with human efforts. Land is imperishable. The word imperishable means
அழிக்க முடியாதது.
if you see, all man-made things are perishable and these may even go out of existence. But land cannot go out of existence. Land is a primary factor of production because in any kind of production we have to start with land. Land is immovable. That means land cannot be transported from one place to another place. Land has some original indestructible powers. Its fertility may be varied, but it cannot be destroyed completely. Land differs in fertility. Fertility of land differs on different pieces of land. One piece of land may produce more and the other less. Labor. Actually, what do you mean by labor? It means the human input into the production process. Alfred Marshall defines labor as the use of body or mind, partly or wholly, with a view to secure an income apart from the pleasure derived from the work. Characteristics of labor. Labor is more perishable. The word perishable means
விரைவில் அழியக்கூடியது.
so, compared to other factors of production, land is more perishable. Labor is an active factor of production. It says that production begins only with the active participation of man. Labor is not homogeneous. The word homogeneous means
ஒரே இயல்பானது.
so skill and variety vary from person to person. Labor cannot be separated from laborer. Land and capital can be separated from their owner, but labor cannot be separated from a laborer. Labor is mobile. In this sentence, mobile means
இடம் பெயர்ந்து செல்கிறது.
man moves from one place to another from a low paid occupation to a high paid occupation. Individual labor has only limited bargaining power. He cannot fight with his employer for a rise in wages. However, when they combine and form trade unions, their bargaining power increases. Division of labor. The word division of labor means
வேலை பிரிவு முறை.
the assignment of different tasks to different people in order to improve efficiency in work is known as division of labor. In this slide, we are going to see about merits and demerits of division of labor. Merits. It improves efficiency of labor when labor repeats doing the same tasks. Time and materials are put to the best and most efficient use. Demerits. Repetition of the same task makes labor to feel that the work is monotonous and stale. It kills the humanity in him. Reduce the growth of handicrafts and the worker loses the satisfaction of having made a commodity in full. Thank you, children. I hope you all would have understood about primary factors of production. In our next video, I will explain you about derived factors of production.